I love this bag. It was an upgrade over my Husky bag from Home Depot. Man, this thing's just great. It's got nice pockets here for my regular tools that I use regularly. Pencils, Sharpie marker, another pencil. Got this bad boy in here. A couple pockets back here for random things. I put something back here. Razor blades. But I got room for a couple more things if I want. It's got this little thing. Not exactly sure how to utilize that yet, but I guess you can clip on something right here, as well as clip on things there. Pockets, a couple pockets here as well on the side. I love this thing compared to the Husky. Oh man, this is definitely an upgrade. These are my everyday carry, right? EDC tools. I love it. Before, my Husky thing was just full, just a jumbling, mumbling mess. Now this thing's definitely more organized, and I can quickly reach and grab what I need. This guy was actually here because, you know, pliers are like a #1 tool kind of deal around the house as well. So quick grab. These are the quick grab tools. This one probably qualifies, but this thing's expensive. Super awesome deal. Home Depot, I think it was like $20. Anyway, I can fit all this stuff in here. I'm totally satisfied. Pumped. I would ask the manufacturer, the brand, to create this bag in different colors: red, blue, yellow. It'll sell like hotcakes. Love it. Thank you. Bye.